But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zeta app not working issue. Zeta is a widely used digital banking and expense management app that helps users manage card, payment and account services, and however sometimes the Zeta app may not open, crash, freeze or get stuck on loading. And if you're facing Zeta app not working issue, do not worry, this video will show you simple and effective fixes steps. So first you need to check your internet connection. Zeta needs a stable internet connection to work properly. Switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data and the notification panel here. Turn on your airplane mode on and off and avoid any VPNs or slow public network. Then reopen the Zeta app. And you can also restart your phone. Temporary system glitches can stop app from working. Restart your phone, wait a few seconds, open the Zeta app again, and this fixes many minor issues instantly. And you can also update your Zeta app. You can go to your Play Store or the App Store and find out your Zeta app and tap update if available. Always use the latest official version. And sometimes the problem is not from your side. Zeta server may be under maintenance. Wait a few minutes and try again later. And that is it. That's how you can fix your Zeta app not working issue. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.